good morning.
Hello, today we have this new cool toy and we have a so cool fridge from
Shopkins.
Yes, and look what we have here. We've got 6 mini Shopkins, 6 mini egg Shopkins there, right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have these 2 cool exclusive Shopkins, and they are this one is soda and the other one is strawberries and cream
Strawberries and cream
cupcake. Yes,
from Shopkins.
yes, and we have this push pop and drop freezer. It's a ice maker, and then you can push pop and drop. Later on, the Shopkins will drop down right there. Okay,
In the cup.
and we can fill this fridge with, I think, more than 25 Shopkins, right, JT?
Yes.
There are also stickers to customize our.
To the fridge.
Yes, there are stickers to customize our fridge. So later on we'll do that. And for now, let's open our Shopkins. So now we have this Shopkins so cool fridge, and this one is included in the season 2 of the Shopkins.
Yeah.
Included are 2 shopping bags, purple shopping bags.
Yeah, and then there is the fridge for this.
No, there are stickers which we can use to customize our fridge. Okay, later we will do it.
Yeah.
And then included are also 6 mini Shopkins, mini egg Shopkins, and they come in different faces. Yes, they come in different faces. And then what else is included here? There are 2 Shopkins, exclusive Shopkins, which we can get only on this package.
And then
There's a soda and what's that? Strawberries and cream cupcake. No, I don't think if it's cupcake, but no, strawberries and cream. Yeah. And then also included is a cup here, which we can use here.
for the Shopkins to go down.
Yeah, for the ice maker shop is push, pop, and drop. So we will open now and we'll see what else have we got in there. Okay.
Okay. This is so cool and adorable.
Yes.
I'm so excited with the Shopkins.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes.
We got our fridge now. It's not broken. Wow, amazing it is.
So amazing, right?
Yes.
You like it?
Yeah. And then it pressed it, and then it slide down.
Yeah.
Oopsie daisies. We got our copy. We got our stickers.
Yes, we've got our stickers here to customize our fridge. Look, they are so
And then
cool.
you can-
We have here strawberries and cream, and we also have soda, and they are so transparent that you can see the other side of them. Okay. Look. Okay. And we also have this cup for
The
the
Shopkins.
ice maker. The fridge also comes with shelves, and you can actually remove it and put it on the other places like this. So you can customize if you want a bigger space or smaller space. And we have here different eggs, 6 mini egg Shopkins, and
For different eggs.
different eggs and different faces, JT. They've
Yeah.
got different faces.
Yeah, they're so funny.
We have these 6 cool eggs, and look at that.
And
They are
they
so
want
nice.
to play.
With different faces.
Yeah, they want to play.
Yes. Let's just put it inside. You put them, JT.
Okay.
And this one too.
Oopsies.
Okay.
And this one too.
Okay. They are so cool. Those eggs are made up of soft rubber.
Yeah, they are soft.
Yes. Okay. And then we have our soda here. We can put anywhere you want, like this. Oopsie. And and our strawberry and cream. This one.
And then we're gonna put many of those Shopkins
And then we can
here.
fill up our fridge with different Shopkins. Whatever you want to put, you can put them all. Yay!
Yay, we like it.
We love it. Okay, JT, come on.
Okay,
Put them on.
okay, mommy.
No, not them. Only this. Okay, we can even put more than 25 Shopkins. Not only full, JT. Only full. Okay, here. Come on. Get down. Dito ka.
No.
We can put this one. The soda.
Oopsies.
And also, you can try putting like this. For our ice maker, you can try this by putting one Shopkin there. And then you just close it and put the cup here, push, and wait for it to drop. There you go. There you go. There you go. La 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 la. This is my candy. Party candy.
How
Okay.
about,
This one is so cold in here because there are frosty inside and
and then I want the soapy.
no, the soap is not a food and we can put it in the fridge, but you can try it. Okay, push and drop. There you go. There you go.
This is my soap.
This is your soap, JT.
This is my soap drinking.
Okay. Okay. So that's it for our so cool fridge. We have also drawers here. We also have 2 drawers down there where you can put all your
Wow,
Shopkins,
look,
whatever you
there's
like.
So many
Yeah,
Shopkins
there are
there.
so many Shopkins images in here. And actually it's for vegetables and fruits, whatever. And these are the 2 shopping bags and we can put those 2 like this.
So
and
they
this
cannot see.
Okay, those are the shopping bags right there. It's so purplish, you know.
Yeah.
And then you can also put some eggs right here, like this one. 1, 2, 3. Where are the other eggs? They're lost. And 4, 5. Okay, the other one is there. Oopsie, it fell down. The other one is there, right there. Okay.
Okay.
We love Shopkins.
We love seconds.
And now we're gonna put our cool stickers on it on the cool fridge. And JT loves it so much. Do you, JT?
Yes, this is so cool and awesome.
I know. So now JT's putting the
The
stickers. Okay.
There's so
customize.
many stickers.
You like them?
Yes.
Okay, and our fridge comes with that logo, the Shopkins logo right there. And JT's so
Happy
enjoying with this.
Yeah.
You
and-
can actually repeal those stickers and
yeah,
put them wherever you want.
This is the list.
What's that? Can I see it? It's the shopping list. I see. Yeah, I know. That's the shopping list. You can put it anywhere you want. Okay,
I want to put it.
so that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. JT?
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow, guys.
And
If you like my video, give me a thumbs up if you like it.
see you.